Very beautiful. Hello? Where are you now? No one day. I did the salute with my babe. I said transfer 1.4 million naira. You are transferring 800,000 naira. You are idiot. Transfer the money. You tell me nonsense. Come on, get out of this one.
Oh my God! Baby, this is my car.
You like this one?
This is my car.
That's okay. Now my brother come. How much is this one?
140 million.
140 million.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can have this one.
You would make me cry.
Yes, now. I will make water leave your eye. I'm going to call me water leave.
Thank you, baby.
I like that your music. The one that you sing, Tobasun Cake Bagwe. I enjoy your meal.
Yeah.
Okay. What you got?
Sure.
Nice chicken.
If you see this baby, tell them say she must chop my money, chop my money, chop my money.
This guy is a spender. Over 4 countries in 1 month. He's even talking about proposing or something to me, Leah Abdul Salam, over my dead body. Babe, let me call you back. He's here.
The national president. People's Club of Nigeria. Chief Jeso. Naroka.
Yeah, Leah. I call your number, you're not speaking.
I'm sorry. I've been charging my phone.
Okay. Will you marry me?
Huh? Chief, you're a nice person, no, but
Something fishy going out. Something fishy. Why you do?
Ebune ni Simba. Omane check in a karika. You say but what?
Chief, nothing at all. I'll marry you.
You get luck. I no born you will make you no marry me. Enter motor idiot. Make we go enjoy.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Baby shark do 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 do.
Hello, welcome. Thank you for tutoring my son. Tutor, this is my son.
What's his name?
Oh, his name is Father.
Father. I told you the father.
I am the father. But we call him Father because I don't want to be his father. Jesus.
How old is he?
He's 936 weeks old.
18 years.
Yeah, he's 18 years old. He's also a virgin and very stupid and slow.
Hi. Goo goo gaga.
Oh my God, what happened to me? Ah!
Go to your room!
You are bad guy.
Run!
Put it there! Put it back!
Your foot. Good afternoon, sir.
Are you there? I rush to side.
We get rice, we get swallow.
Right, swallow now, stew or
Stew.
finish.
Which plate is it?
One plate now.
Is it now which? Na beef, I mean,
Just 2 meat, beef.
2 beef. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
What you gonna do there?
Oh, what be this now? Eh? Which one you say my food?
Come on, take your phone now. Oh.
We see her, man.
At the comes, at the comes. Good afternoon.
Yeah, hold on. I did. So what do you have?
We have rice.
Rice, fried or jollof or
Just white with
white? Okay. Maybe you care for white.
We have chicken.
chicken. Chicken or fish.
Alright.
Only thing I have is
Alright. Me too. 2 plates.
thank you.
Alright. Pass. Make it quick.
Sorry. Your food.
Oh, Jesus.
Come and take your food now. You don't pay for the food though.
Your money now 2-4.
2-4.
Yes.
Okay now, thank you now.
Boss, come. You never give me money.
Oh, you won't collect money?
True, I no go collect money. No be market I say for you.
No vex. China, make I call my guy.
Follow me the head.
Hello, Jambo. That woman for front, she said she won't collect money.
I no go collect money.
No, now no bring gun. Now no bring gun. Now only one person now.
Boss.
Jambo, just all of na come. Axe and cutlass. No bring gun.
Boss.
Eh?
Boss, no worry.
You say
No worry about
no.
it.
You don't collect money.
No.
You don't collect.
I don't want to.
You sure?
They go. If you they go. I don't want.
Okay, now no problem.
Yeah.
Give me 1 more.
Boss, okay.
Kasha.
My love, my sweetheart.
How they come early these days? It's terrible.
Come, Joe.
It's terrible.
Come on top.
Come do it.
Just come now, be romantic for once.
Don't come. I usually like all this kind of play.
Come.
What do you want me to do now?
Just come on top.
What did they talk about like this? I don't like this kind of play.
Come on top.
I don't like this kind of play. Yeah. Jesus. I blame myself. I know say this kind of thing go happen. Now I make I like the romantic with you. I blame myself.
God, you are very gentle. Somebody are using your name to be tell people that what belong to you has not give poor. Yes, then the person collect the money, go and buy jet. He said that it belong to you. And he and his family, his daughter and his wife, they use that jeep, they use that bulletproof, and soldier kill and kidnapper kill bodyguard and member of the church, and they said that the bulletproof belong to you. God, and you they look. Where is your thunder? What is the work that your thunder is doing? God, what is the work of your thunder? To fire all of them.
Na nail. We don't even finish to rub the house finish. And I just to walk through the door. Still just tear my hands like, yes now.
You dey joke at me.
I know they joke like this. Still marks for my face. This thing I'm for fast.
Oh, sorry. Let me call doctor.
I'll be your call police.
I think no.
I don't understand what you're talking about, Chibosa.
You know what I am talking about. Hey, is there anything to hide? You are a homo, I am a homo. That is the truth.
Come now, collect them now. Are they serious now? Collect them. No, because God sent me you. I just say you dehydrated before I collect your phone.
Oh.
Yes, now.
Even they nice, the other robbers, they don't go they nice normally.
You said you see how
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Mandy here, and we have
CK.
Okay, Siki, I know that you've had so many hit singles, yeah?
Yeah.
But I want to promise you that I'm the last single you're going to hit.
Okay.
Okay, do you remember what I said my name was in the beginning?
Mandy.
Okay, so how do you think Mandy Ekwani sounds?
It sounds like Mandy Ekwani. Sounds good. Not bad.
Okay, yes, so I want you to buy me like 220 inches Bond Street.
But why?
Bone Street, that's hair. That's hair, right?
Then after buying it, you give me some inches.
How
many inches do you want?
I'm part of my body.